Teacher Tots TV.
Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will learn how to draw fruits and their color. This is a strawberry. This is a fruit called strawberry. Strawberry is red in color. Next. This is a grape. This is a fruit called grape. Grape is purple in color. Next. This is a watermelon. This is a fruit called watermelon. Watermelon is green color outside and red color inside. Next. This is a pineapple. This is a fruit called pineapple. Pineapple is yellow in color. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.